Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a light restoration video on the ballerina from an earlier video. She's the Dancerina Ballerina. So the first thing you're going to need is a sponge, and I just have a scrub mommy. One side is a little bit more coarse and the other side is more like a traditional sponge. Then you're going to need some Dawn dish soap, and that's going to be for cleaning the bodies on any of the toys that you're going to be cleaning. I use a cheaper conditioner for their hair to moisturize it, and for today I'm going to be using the VO5 Strawberries and Cream. You'll also use an Ace pocket comb, or any fine tooth comb will work. You'll also need some hair cutting scissors. Snip, snip. Some Mr. Clean magic erasers. You'll need some pure acetone, just a very small amount for stubborn stains and things that are hard to remove. You'll also need some isopropyl alcohol. This is 70%. Of course, you'll need cotton balls and Q-tips as well. And lastly, you'll need lots of paper towels. Okay, so here she is in all her glory. She's got her outfit on, and as you can see, her hair is a bit frizzy, and in the back it's slightly uneven. So that is mostly what we're going to take care of today. We're also going to give her a little bit of a wipe down and wash her shoes. If you guys would like to see a more in-depth video on some of the things she does and her outfit, feel free to watch a previous video I did where I just did a little walkthrough with her. And if you guys would like to see another video on her in the future where I put batteries in her and I can show you guys what she looks like when she's all clean, and yeah, just go ahead and let me know in the comments below if you would like to see her again. So first thing we're going to do is undress her, and then we're going to take her two braids on the top of her head and wrap them around the little crown on top, just so they're not in the way. We want to keep those braids intact. Look at how cute her little outfit is. Here's where we're going to put her hair up on the crown, and then we're going to take a little rubber band to secure it in place. Now we're going to take a sponge and wash her body, including her foot. We're going to do a very light wash, especially with the side that is more scrubby. Once we rinse her off, we're going to dry her off too, because she has that battery compartment in the back, and I'm really going to try my best to stay away from that. Now we're going to add in some conditioner into her hair. We're going to start with the ends and work our way up. You're going to need a fine-tooth comb to get the knots out of her hair. And you're going to want to start towards the top and work your way down like I'm doing. Okay, here she is once her hair has been combed through. She still has conditioner in her hair. We're just going to leave her here overnight, and then tomorrow we'll come back and wash her hair out. Okay, now we're in the next day. Let's go ahead and wash her hair out. You're going to want to make sure you're using a lukewarm water. Nothing too hot, that's going to damage the doll's hair, but nothing too cold. That is not going to get all the conditioner out. Now that we've finished rinsing the conditioner out, we're going to go back through with our fine-tooth comb, and this is going to be mostly for styling, and then we're going to go in and trim some of the ends as well. Look how cute she looks. We're gonna leave her now to air dry it overnight again. And here she is the next day. I don't have a full video of her hair, but you can see here that it is fully dried and it's more alive looking and it just looks refreshed. She has less frizziness. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun to make, and I've just been really enjoying reviving this channel. For those of you that are new and old, stay tuned. There's going to be lots of new content coming. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.